Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. It's another beautiful day in the Ozarks. Today is a honeydew day. I have a piece of Iroko here. It's about 4¼ inches long by, I don't know, an inch or so square. So I've drilled it and then I put a threaded insert on the inside of it. Let's see if you can see what I'm talking about here. I did get a little off center. Yeah, I think it'll be all right. I've never worked with this wood before, but I thought I would bring y'all along and see what it looks like when we turn it. So since it's on a threaded insert, what I've done, I'll show you here when I reposition the camera. I got a long carriage bolt that fits into this, and I'm going to use that as a mandrel to turn it on the lathe. So let me move the camera around and we'll get you in close and we'll see what we can do. According to the YouTube analytics, 90% of the people watching aren't subscribed, and it doesn't cost anything. It just helps our channel to grow. It lets YouTube know that we've got content that others might find valuable. Our goal this year is to get to 1,000 subscribers. We are 19 away from 500, so we've got 6 months ish to get 519 more subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, I'd ask that you hit that subscribe button with the notification bell on. That way you don't ever miss anything when we upload. I try to upload weekly, sometimes twice a week, but at least usually it's Tuesday or Wednesday. I'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe and comment. That all helps our channel to grow. It just feeds the algorithm and lets YouTube know that we have stuff that other people would like. So without further ado, we're going to go on with the turning. Let me move the camera and we'll get going. Okay, so I installed a jam nut here to keep this from trying to wander in. And I put the live center on. So let me get my hearing protection and PPE on and we'll get to turning. Alright, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this off and go get the scoop that goes on here and see how close I am on the diameter up here before I go much further. That is, if I can get it unscrewed. There we go. I will have to take and clean that all up. Matter of fact, I may do that before I put that jam nut up there out of the way. Tailstock's back in place. I'm just going to clean the glue up and just kind of dress that edge just a little bit. Put a little chamfer on there because, to quote Blondie Hacks, that's what separates us from the animals. A nice chamfer. Alright, so let me go get this scoop and we'll see how close we are. Okay, so I got the coffee scoop and I had to take and cut the threads down a little bit because I didn't drill this far enough in. I just drilled for the brass insert. This is just about the same diameter as the brass insert, so there's going to be a little bit of a lip, but it'll be all right. So let's take and cut this down as much as I dare without I don't want to hit this nut with my carbide cutter. It won't hurt it as much as if it was high-speed steel, but I still don't want to. I don't want to ruin my edge. All right, so let's take and put just a little All right, I think we're ready to start sanding this. That feels good already, just with 150 grit. Wow. So we'll just go on and work through the grits. That's going to make that grain pop so good. That feels amazing. Just for giggles, I'm going to go ahead and put some of the microfine. I think it's overkill, probably doesn't do any good, but it's never stopped me before. All right, let's see how we did here, guys. So I got it all fitted up. What do y'all think? This is Iroko wood. This is the first time I've ever worked with it. It turns like a dream, but it is super, super hard. All right, next week I should be doing an Alumilite pen for a coworker. His son is graduating college, getting his RN, and he commissioned me to turn a pin. I've got it ordered. I just got to wait for it to get here. So like and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you don't miss any episodes. We will see you in the next video. Y'all have a good day.